When Thomas became Secretary of State, James traveled with him to New York City and Philadelphia. As head chef, James taught the other chefs what he learned. When they returned to Monticello, the Virginia plantation had grown to over 600 enslaved men, women, and children. Thomas wrote that he made a 4% profit every year from the birth of black children. Some of these enslaved children were Thomas's own sons and daughters. We don't have any records of James's thoughts, but all of this must have made him very sad. James wanted his freedom more than anything. He spent many hours training his brother, Peter Hemings, to become his replacement at Monticello. One day, Thomas decided Peter was sufficiently trained to become his head chef and finally gave James his freedom. James left Monticello and found work as a cook in a Baltimore tavern. One day, Thomas sent a man named William Evans to Baltimore to ask James if he would become a chef at the White House. Thomas had become president of the United States